How's it going, YouTube? Today we're working on a Ford F250. You'll need a couple of plastic trim tool pieces, a pick, and a size 7 socket. The first thing you're going to do is take off all your covers. So you're going to have one here and one underneath the grab handle. Then you're going to have this cover underneath the grab handle. You just grab your pick and kind of reach on this top corner and be able to pry it off. Next, we're going to grab the cover off the grab handle. There's a little cut underneath here. You'll just kind of shove your plastic trim tool piece underneath there and it'll pop free. And then make sure you pry out towards the cab because you have this little tab and you don't want to risk breaking it. Now that we have all the covers off, you'll reveal all the bolts. You have one behind that triangle piece, you'll have two behind the grab handle, two more behind that plastic cover we took off, and you'll have two more on the bottom of the door. Now that we have all the bolts out, now we can actually take the panel off. We'll just go ahead and grab our plastic trim tool piece, start at the bottom, kind of work your way around. And that's how you take off the front door. Now we'll move on to the rear. All right, now we're on the rear door. Same process, just one less bolt. So you'll have two plastic covers. Go ahead and take those off. Same thing, make sure you don't break that tab. All right, now we have all the bolts out, so we can go ahead and take the panel off. All right, and there we go. So that's how you take off the front door panel and the rear door panel on a Ford F250. Thanks for watching.